Welcome to Mark's Sports and Farming Channel. I'm at the National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky, and I'm at the Vermeer display right now. Got a wheel rake here. Disc more as I try to dodge the crowd. Hay tedder. Oh, that's better. Just wanted recording with this camera and forgot that I had the zoom set that way. But here we have a disc more getting back to the display.
Oh, yes. Yep, I actually see it. What are you doing?
Here's some round balers. I'll get on the other side. I'll show you the back of that first one if I can in a little bit. Because that one has a feature on it that would be nice to see the other ones have. Same feature as that one. Show you the other ones first. And here is something unique. A self-propelled round baler. The first time I've ever seen one. And I don't know how long Vermeer's been offering this.
Trucks and all this stuff. He said, there ain't no place to go. I said, don't worry about it. 36 years.
This is a feature that this baler has that I haven't really seen yet.
Oh, I know.
And this little switch and you can move the net wrap around. I'll be get into position a little easier. It'd be nice if we started seeing more round balers with an option like that, but so far this is the first one I've seen with that. So there you go, there's a nice little video of the Vermeer display at the National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky 2020. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And thanks for watching my videos. I certainly appreciate that. Be sure to hit the like button. Be sure to click the subscribe button. And then once you subscribe, then scroll over to the right and click on the bell, and then you'll be notified whenever a new video gets posted. Be sure to follow Mark's Sports and Farming Channel on Facebook as well. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you later.